Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This is King Jehu of Wall Street. I really want to appreciate you guys for the reactions and the engagement on my previous video. I got over 100 views currently, and I was so excited. Thanks to all of you that are also sharing the video and making people know this amazing concept that I'm teaching here on my channel. May your stop losses be less than your take profits. May you hit more take profits. Yeah, amen. In Jesus' name. So today I'm going to be talking about stop losses in forex trading. Losses in forex trading. So if forex trading and losses are, shall I say, partners or brothers, there is always losses in forex trading. But what gives you minimum losses is when you have an edge over the market. So today I'm going to be telling you the trade I took that hit stop loss. I know a lot of you guys will feel like some traders don't show their losses. They just come outside whenever things are good and then they keep telling people it's all rosy. No, that's not happening here. So this same strategy that I told you guys, I'm going to show you guys how it happened that I hit stop loss today. So let's get into my screen. Don't forget to like this video right now. Just hit the like because you're about to learn a lot, and then subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let's go. Welcome. So this is my screen. Actually, this is currently the analysis I'm taking on gold. I'm taking 4 setups today: gold, AUD, USD. I have a setup here also, which is about to play out. It's on a higher time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to come back to this later, and then let me jump straight to the reason for this video, talking about losses and the stop loss that I hit today. So this is a stop loss. You can see it on GBPJPY, my favorite pair, that was always giving me profit, and then boom, today was a different case. I even added position at somewhere around this point. I added an extra position, and market took me out. So first of all, what are losses? Losses is just simply losing money, right? And then stop losses are limits that we set in the market that automatically trigger a certain amount of loss that we are willing to risk. Okay, I hope I put it right. Yes. So what made me enter this trade? I came with my regular setup. I think from the 30-minute time frame, I saw this high, right? I always tell you guys about, okay, let me make this full screen. This was the point I was planning to take a trade from. Sorry for that confusion. Yes. So I took this as a high, right? And then this is low. This is a sweep from here to this point. And then sweep, then the low first, which reached this point, and then we have a break of structure around here, and then these are structural liquidity, and I expected, so I expected this particular high to be protected and price should not cross this high, and then I was expecting a break of structure after this point. And as you can see from here, our entry was sniper entry. This particular trade part, this particular concept can give you sniper entries, but from here we can see that after the sniper entry there was a reversal to stop loss, and at this point, the moment market price reach around here, I immediately adjust my stop loss on my personal trading accounts. So when price reversed, I didn't actually lose anything. So there's losses in trading. It's not everything that plays out exactly how you want it, and this setup is perfect according to my analysis. It's very, very perfect. It's just that you're not going to make money every day, you're not going to run with money every day, but this setup has a high win rate. So I'm not advising all of you guys to do this setup. Some of you guys already have setups that you are used to, and I'll advise you to stick with what you know. So This was the loss that was hit, so at some point I felt like, yeah, this trade is good, and I added more positions. I was expected to make about $96 from this point to this point. I was already up in profit of about $30 thereabout before reversal. So so after this, I just went out, and then I didn't take any trades today again. But this night, as I just came back doing my analysis and then ready to create my video and post, I discovered that the reason price stopped us out around here was because on the higher time frame, a particular setup was about to play out. Yeah, on the higher time frame, we have a particular setup, like this is a bigger setup that's about to play. Let me take this to 60 minutes. I think it's too. So overall, we are still in a bearish environment. So this is our sweep, and then this is our break of structure. Let me highlight it so that you can see it clearly. Yeah, break of structure. Good. So my only problem with this entry is that I can't see a clear structural liquidity. So this entry is actually a risk entry. It's a risk entry. So my stop loss is very tight, you can see. So even if market decides to get to inducement before the continuation, I won't lose that much. That's why I need to have an edge over the market. And then this stop loss, I would have loved to leave it somewhere down here, but it's going to take a long time to play out. So I'll just go out here and then I'll enter again. Oh, sorry, missed it. Yeah, so that's that about GBPJPY. And then I also got a setup on GU as well, GBPUSD, and this one we're already close to our POI. You see, I'm doing all this analysis real time. It's not like I have one trading view rewind that I'll be going to old time charts. I'm not yet there. I'm doing this with live market analysis. Like, this is live market. So whenever I see this play out, just know that I called it before it happened. If it doesn't play out, we just learn from it and move on. That's how it is. So this is buy I cut, so it's on my channel, and then I was expecting a sell from this point, which didn't happen. And then when I went to the higher time frame, I saw that though there was a manipulation here, this particular trade, I also took it. I told you guys what happened in one of my videos, and I discovered that okay, this is also a sweep and a break of structure. So probably the reason why price refused to sell from this point down was because it has been waiting to get into this level. So as I said, tight stop loss. Even if my analysis is violated, I'm not losing anything much. This 5.9 risk to reward ratio. So whatever I'm risking here, I'm trying to make about 5 times, more than 5 times of it. So we're gonna wait and also see the replay of this setup particularly. So before I learn this setup, make sure you also go back to your price action, pure price action, learn your pure price action, your candlestick analysis, each candlestick, because most times you don't just have price go into this POI and then start selling. You have to wait till you see a candlestick confirmation, a bearish candlestick, whether it's a bearish harami or a bearish, all those bearish candlestick formations. And then if you're expecting a buy and your point of interest is somewhere that you're expecting a buy, you should expect a bullish candlestick formation. Yeah, bullish candlestick pattern. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm hoping. Should I say I'm hoping? No. This is what I'm expecting to see on GBPUSD. But still bearish though. Don't mind all this reversal. So, and then I think the last trade back to AUD first. Then we're going to go over to gold. I'm not taking a trade on gold for the past maybe 1 month, but yeah, I'm about to take a trade on gold. You see it's on a 5-minute time frame. That's why it's looking very, very tiny. Gold currently hit another all-time high. So wow, I guess we are looking for longs here. So this is the 5-minute chart. As you can see, This is also my model, this same model I'm also talking about, but this time around I'm making it, this time around is not playing like a complete pattern, but that doesn't mean it's not going to work. So first of all, we're in the overall bullish environment. That means price is always going up, and then this is a high, right? First of all, this is a high and this is low. Yes, this is another high and this is another low. What happened? Price took out this high. This is what I used to call a sweep, and then after the sweep, price did what? Came down here. Sorry, we're in a bullish environment. This is the break of structure, not the sweep. Oh, I made a mistake. My apologies. Break of structure. Here is our sweep. Our sweep is gonna be from this point. Yes, this is gonna be our sweep. So a sweep to the downside, break of structure. This is our structural liquidity before the break of structure. If I go to the 5-minute time frame, you're going to see it clearly. This is 15 minutes. You can see market gave us structural liquidity before it went and broke structure. Now price has already taken out this structural liquidity here without touching this protected low. I told you guys, whenever there's a sweep, that low is going to be protected. So most of the time, by the way. So price has already taken out this structural liquidity without touching this protected low and has kicked off to the upside. But as price was also doing this candlestick you're seeing here, I took it as a low also, and then this is another sweep, and this is another structural liquidity. This is another low. This is a sweep. This is a break of structure. This structural liquidity, and then equal lows on the same structural liquidity point, and then I'm waiting for market to sell down into this zone and buy and break this structure again. So that's all about the setup. I know this also just take a few minutes to do analysis, and then these are my stop losses here is because price, I'm expecting price not to break below this, but even though price does that, my stop loss is very tight. You know, all this ICT concept and all this it's not price action, so we always have tight stop losses. But sometimes in pure price action you might have huge stop losses and then sniper entries as cars. That's why I just decide to use ICT concepts. But I mix them, I mix the both. Anything I see that I have knowledge of, I apply in the market. Sometimes market conditions will not give you favorable entries for some certain strategies. That's why I need to know a lot of strategies. I hope I'm making sense. Yeah, I hope you're getting what I'm saying. So yeah, we'll wait for price to come into this point and buy. All these limits are set on my Profit account. I'm gonna also come back and show you guys a review of it. So thank you for watching this video. Let me go back and then kind of do the summary. Wait for price to play out. So losses in the market are normal, as I've said earlier. Okay, wait, I think I have one more trader. I have one more setup I haven't talked about. Sorry, my bad. Oh god, this is my last setup. I was about to say this 240. Yes, Australian dollar versus US dollar. Yeah, same entry, just like GBPUSD. Sweep, break of structure, market rally into the zone. I caught this sell here from a lower time frame using the same pattern, and then poop. I've not actually entered this here because my price is, yeah, I think I've not actually entered. I'm expecting a pullback a little bit sharp, or I'm just going to enter from here. So yeah, same entry, same setup. I don't think I have a lot to say. So that's all my entries for today. Today's what's today's date? Oh, today is 17th September, Tuesday. Wow, time flies. We're chasing. I want to see how far we can get to by December. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, time to quit recording and go back. Hi guys, so welcome back from my screen. As I told you guys already, losses are normal in the game. Always make sure whatever you're depositing is what you're willing to risk, and then apply proper risk management, master your strategy, have a psychology that is normal. Don't bring emotions into your trading, and then have a strategy that you can stick to in whatever market condition. And I wish you all the best. Don't forget to like this video so that I can get suggested to more people that are gonna love this content, and please subscribe. Thank you. If you don't subscribe, you're gonna hit more SLs this week. Thank you.